A civil authority has issued a tornado watch for the following counties/areas: Chickasaw, LTAWAMBA, Lee, Monroe, Ventus, Tishomingo, MS, at 8:32 p.m. on Jan 25th, 2021, effective until 1:02 m. Jan 26th, 2021. Message from WDFA/NWS. Tornado Watch 3 remains valid until 1 m. CST Tuesday for the following areas in Mississippi. This watch includes 6 counties in North Mississippi: Chickasaw, Lee, Monroe, Ventus, Tishomingo. This includes the cities of Aberdeen, Amory, Boonville, Fulton, Houston,